Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty, and this is FabFitFun for summer 2021. So we're going to do the unboxing and I'm going to reveal all the products to you guys. Now without further ado, let's get to today's video. Sneak peek. So these are all the products that I got in my box, and first thing right off the bat that I see these cute stickers that we got around these. So this says like FabFitFun and all of these cute stickers that I got around this time. FabFitFun Summer 2021, Step into Sun, out for the summer. So cute. So these are really nice. And you know what, you guys, I have been using the stickers that I got in my previous box for potty training my kid. That's a fun way, you know, so I might use these as well for that. I don't know, but so these are the cute stickers that I got, and here is the magazine that we got around this time, and this has all the products, details of the products and how to use them, all of that good stuff. Okay, so this did include their customization and what are all the possible items that you could have received. And for those who doesn't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box where you would be getting like 4 boxes, and it is $49.99 per season, and annual members get to pay a little less. But the good thing about the annual members is that you could customize all 6 customizations. It used to be 8 earlier. Right now it's 6 customization, and in the customization 6, I think they clubbed like 2 or 3 products into one, so you could choose all 6 customization if you are an annual member. And if you are a seasonal member, FabFitFun will choose for you the customization 5 and 6, whereas you could actually select first 4 customizations. Here is the customization 1. So these are all the products that I could have select. So these are all the ones. Let me see what I have selected. That was Society 6 outdoor blankets. Okay, so there it is. It's a really cute. So this did come with Velcro. So this one retails for $60, and it's kind of big and really sturdy and really nice material, and it also has this waterproof kind of thing, like if the grass is kind of damp or something like that. This is really nice and really big size, really cute addition for summer. This is easy to carry blanket, is a water resistant, making it perfect for your outdoor picnics. And this one size is 50 by 70, really nice. And this print is like next level. I really love this print and the size of it, and it's like waterproof. The color is good. Love this one. In the customization 2, these are all the products like the Raper James, like this nighty way detox shampoo and scalp massaging tool, and all of these you could get in customization 2. Let me see what I have selected. Wow, this is really big size. So this is the Way Detox shampoo. So this is the one, and there's supposed to be a scalp massaging tool. There it is. So here is the scalp massaging tool. This is the one that I was like most excited about. This is the scalp massaging tool, like this. This is manual scalp massaging tool, not like a battery operated one. I have one from Amazon that's battery operated. This vibrates like this bristles. This is like manual, where you could do like this. Really nice. All right, let's see what we have for the customization number 3. So these are all the items that you could get in customization number 3. So these are all the products, and I think I got the Super Goop sunscreen SPF 40, but let me see. All right, there it is. So here is the sunscreen that I got. A really nice one. So this is how it looks, and this is SPF 40. Okay, the Way Detox shampoo plus scalp massager was $40, and the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40 is for retails for $34. And this is the oil-free formula glides seamlessly onto the skin while protecting the skin with SPF 40. Okay, this is really cute. So this is the tray that we got. This is so cute for the summer, and this has got like that lemon print. Such a nice addition to your kitchen. I love this thing. Wow, so nice one. This is To The Market printed tray, and this one retails for $25, and this thing is made in India. Use this adorable lemon tray to serve food as a catch-all for your keys, to hold your cosmetics and more. Awesome. And I was really excited about this one too. So that is the pineapple tray, ice tray. Do you see this? How cute are these pineapples? And even it has got like that design print on it, like those. This is what I'm talking about, that texture that we have on pineapples. So cute. So like maybe a lemonade with this pineapple ice cubes kind of lemonade. That's a total vibe that I'm talking about. All right, next up we have this, and this is Sensual's natural and organic skincare, and this is facial serum, vitamin C serum. I think I have been using what is that, Vitabird C12 that we got in Ipsy, and my face or my skin kind of loving it, so I need to give this one shot when I'm done with that. This one retails for $45, and this is 99.7% natural vitamin C serum, and this one is formulated with hyaluronic acid and Edelweiss plant stem cells, hydrates, softens, and brightens skin, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and leaves the skin with a healthy glow. And vitamin C is something that I have been using religiously on my face, and I really love the like vitamin C serum, how my skin likes it. It like brightens, it gives me that like I had some kind of spa facial kind of feeling. So I really love using vitamin C serum on my face. Next up, okay, so this is something that I really love using on my lips, and this is the Serafine Botanicals, and this is fruit butter lip mask, and this is from Serafine Botanicals, and their lip mask are usually good. I own exactly the same thing, and it's usually good. It's very hydrating to lips, so I really love their products. So let's see about this beauty. Okay, so this one I got in a bundle for the customization 6, and this one is a fruit butter lip mask, intensive this is overnight lip mask. It delivers intense hydration and makes your lips so soft. And this one features a shea butter and apricot kernel oil, and olive oil improves the texture of lips and can be used during the day as a lip balm. Awesome. And this is the one I was like really confused, because I don't know if I really want to get it, but I want to get that cute ice tray. That's the pineapple tray. I have the same thing in green. I do own this one, but let's see how this one looks. Okay, this looks little different than what I own. It's kind of little bigger. This is AR Press Cook, and this is the citrus squeezer. So they did add this wasn't in the customization. I think this is one of these free samples they decided to throw in, and that is liquid IV hydration multiplier electrolyte drink mix. Okay, so this has got 3 samples. Here are all the products that I received. So here is the squeezer, and the vitamin C serum, and Way shampoo, detox shampoo, and the scalp massaging tool. I'm going to use this one. So this is the one that I was like the most excited about, and these ones too. You don't know, I was like, I'm so happy to receive this box. Like all of the products seems so cute and so nice, and I'm going to use most of the products. That makes me even more happier. So this is the ice tray that we got, and this is the catch all kind of tray that has got the lemon print on this, and this one, of course, I cannot forget about this one, and that is the outdoor blanket, and I really need that right now, so I'm happy to receive that as well. And there's supposed to be a SPF. There it is. I cannot use this directly without having the SPF, so that's the reason I actually brought this to use on my face. So really happy about this box around this time, and also this fruit what is that, butter lip mask. Well, that's all the products that I received around this time, you guys. Hopefully you had fun, and show this girl some love and smash that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.